Ever heard of a global financial system that operates 24/7, transcends borders, and empowers individuals? No, it's not magic, although sometimes the crypto market might feel that way. It's the world of cryptocurrency, a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we think about money. But with all this innovation comes a question: how do I, as an individual, get involved in this new frontier? Enter cryptocurrency exchanges, platforms that allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. One of the most popular options is Coinbase, boasting a user-friendly interface and a wide variety of digital assets. However, with great platforms come limitations. Not every country enjoys the same level of access to cryptocurrency exchanges, and Coinbase is no exception. So, the burning question becomes: can you use Coinbase? This video dives deep into the world of Coinbase accessibility, exploring which countries can harness the power of this platform. Buckle up, crypto-curious viewers, because we're about to embark on a global journey. The green light: countries where Coinbase reigns supreme. Let's start with the good news. Coinbase boasts a significant global presence, with a strong foothold in many developed nations. Here's a taste of some of the countries where you can freely use Coinbase. The Americas: the United States and Canada lead the pack, offering seamless access to Coinbase features. Additionally, a good chunk of South America, including Argentina, Brazil, Chile, and Peru, can join the crypto party. Europe: most European powerhouses like the United Kingdom, Germany, France, Spain, and Italy have their citizens covered by Coinbase. Asia and Oceania: Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore, and South Korea are all part of the Coinbase Club, making it a great option for crypto enthusiasts in these regions. Not so fast: countries with limited access. While the list above is impressive, it's important to acknowledge that Coinbase isn't universally accessible. Here are some regions with limitations. Africa: currently, Coinbase availability in Africa is limited. However, there are ongoing efforts to expand, so stay tuned for updates. The Middle East: strict regulations in some Middle Eastern countries restrict access to cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase. Parts of Asia: while major Asian economies like Japan and South Korea are on board, some developing nations have yet to embrace Coinbase. Understanding the why, reasons for limited access. There are several reasons why some countries have limited access to Coinbase. Here are the main culprits. Regulation: governments worldwide are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrency. This uncertainty can prevent exchanges like Coinbase from operating in certain regions. Financial infrastructure: Coinbase relies on a robust financial system to function smoothly. Countries with less developed banking systems might not be suitable for the platform just yet. Security concerns: cryptocurrency exchanges are prime targets for hackers. Coinbase prioritizes security, and some countries might not have the necessary security measures in place for the platform to operate comfortably. Staying informed: how to know if Coinbase is available in your country. The good news? Coinbase is constantly striving to expand its reach. So, even if your country isn't on the current list, there's always a chance it will be added in the future. Here are some ways to stay updated. Coinbase support: the Coinbase website has a dedicated support section that includes information on their global availability. They also regularly update their blog with relevant announcements. Cryptocurrency news websites: reputable cryptocurrency news websites often track developments in regulations and exchange accessibility. The future of cryptocurrency and global access. As the world of cryptocurrency evolves, so too will accessibility. Governments are starting to develop clearer regulations, and financial infrastructure is constantly improving. This means that Coinbase, and other exchanges like it, are likely to become more accessible in the coming years. Remember, this video is a snapshot of the current state of Coinbase accessibility. Crypto regulations are constantly changing, so it's important to do your own research to stay informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.